Boys and girls, I did a little introduction to shapes, and I wanted to just spend a couple minutes on vocabulary. Okay, so in a minute when you watch the Brain Pop, they'll also talk about these, but I wanted to mention them beforehand. So when you look at our different shapes, okay, you're going to notice, of course, our sphere is round. It has no edges. But some of the other shapes have what we call faces. Okay, this flat portion is called a face, just like you have a face. And what would be a line on a plane shape, we call an edge on a three-dimensional shape. So we have our edge, and we have our face, and then where the lines meet or where the edges meet, we call it vertices. Vertices. All right, and you'll see these words in your book and how they're spelled. So as you look at each shape, you can count how many edges, how many faces, and how many vertices each have. So if we look at our pyramid, we see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And then how many faces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 edges and 5 faces, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. So if you look at each of the shapes, okay, you can count how many faces, how many edges, and how many vertices each of those has. All right? So when you go into your book and you're doing your lesson, you're going to spend a few minutes doing that. I don't want to do it for you. I want you to be able to try it out for yourself. And then, of course, remember, some of your shapes have faces, but they don't have edges and they don't have vertices. All right, there are 3 shapes here that have faces but not edges or vertices. This one, which is our half circle, our sphere, and our cylinder. All right, boys and girls, so some brand new vocabulary for you, but you can handle it. All right, have a great day.